Whether you're a growing family, an entrepreneur, or you simply want to invest in the city of Port Harcourt, owning a piece of land is a fantastic step you need to take. But with so much to consider, the process can be so overwhelming. In this video today, I will be revealing to you 5 simple actionable steps that you can take to own a piece of property here in the city of Port Harcourt. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Kristas. I'm a real estate consultant, and my goal is to assist you in building your dream through strategically investing in real estate. If you're a returning subscriber or you're a returning viewer, welcome back to our channel. We celebrate you, and we are happy that you always find time to come and watch our videos. If you are new to this channel and you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell notification so you can notify when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. Today I'll be guiding you through everything you need to know, from defining what you want and actually securing that piece of property. If you're ready to learn how to buy a piece of land here in the city of Port Harcourt, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Welcome back. The first step to buying a piece of land here in the city of Port Harcourt is to define what you want. Why do you want to buy that piece of land in Port Harcourt? What is your purpose of buying land? What is your objective? It is very important that you define what you want to use the land for before actually going to buy the land, because there are so many cases where people will buy land and they will end up discovering that the land which they bought is not fit for the purpose they had in mind. What is your purpose? Why are you buying that land? Are you buying it for a residential purpose? Are you buying it to carry out a commercial activity? Are you buying it to do farming or something else? Why do you want to buy the land? You need to sit down and answer that question. What is your purpose of buying that land? If not, you might end up making a huge mistake that you are going to regret in the future, or you might end up buying a land that you actually don't need. It is after defining your purpose and defining what you need that land for that you now start looking at the location that fits into that purpose. If, for instance, you need a land for residential purpose, you now start considering some factors like the proximity of that land to some amenities. Is it close to the road? Is it close to school? Is it close to hospital? You now start considering some of all these things. Now, after looking at the location that fits into that purpose which you want the land for, you now start looking at what size of the land do you need. Is it one plot? Is it half plot? Is it 10 plot? What size of plot do you need for that purpose that you actually wanted? Of course, the size that you need is all dependent on the budget which you have. If maybe you have a budget of 1 plot, then you go for 1 plot. If you have the budget of 10 plots, you go for 10 plots. Knowing the size will depend on the available money you have at hand. Now, after defining what you want, you know the location, you know the size of the property that you need, and you know the budget that you can conveniently afford. The second step is to find the property. How do you look for the right property? You can look for the right property online, or you can look for it offline. Now, if you want to look for the right property online, what you need to do is to go to Google. You go to some listing website like GG, Nigeria Property Center, Property Pro. You look for the property, you put in the details and the location that you are looking for, and the properties that are available online on that platform is going to be displayed on the screen. Or you can look for a property offline by looking for a real estate agent that is operating in that area of your interest. Or another way is that you can ask your family or friends to recommend a real estate agent that they have worked with in the past, and through recommendation you can get the best real estate agent that you can work with. Now, after finding the property that fits into what you want, either online or offline, after finding a property that fits into your purpose, fits into the location, the size and the budget, the next thing you need to do is to conduct due diligence. you conduct proper due diligence on that property. It is very important that you conduct due diligence and verify the authenticity of any property that you want to buy. Before you buy a property, if you are around, please, it is very important that you go for what we call physical site inspection. If you are not around, you can send anybody to represent you, or you ask your real estate agent to conduct what we call virtual site inspection. It is very, very important you conduct due diligence, you verify the authenticity of any property you want to buy. But unfortunately, it is this area that a lot of people who buy properties, this is the area most of them skip. But please don't skip the area of due diligence. Conduct due diligence on the property you want to buy. Verify the authenticity of the property you want to buy. If it have a C of O, go to the land registry and verify. Verify the documents that you want to buy. Verify. If not, you might end up buying the wrong property, or you might end up buying a property that is having some issues. It is in the process of conducting due diligence and verifying the authenticity of the property that you want to buy that you need to carry out what we call land survey. Get a land surveyor to survey the land you want to buy, because you cannot carry out an effective verification without surveying the property you want to buy. Because the property you want to buy, you don't know if it has issue, and if you go to the land registry, one thing they are going to ask you is the exact location of the property, and there's no way you can tell the exact location of a landed property without surveying the property. So you survey the land, you verify the land, you take the coordinates of the land. After verifying it with a surveyor, take the coordinates of the land to the office of the Surveyor General of the state and see whether the land is free from government acquisition. Verify and know whether there is any encumbrances on the land, either from the government, either from the community, or either from the native. Make sure you verify your land you want to buy to avoid any future problem. The fourth step is to negotiate and agree. Once you find the perfect property that fits into what you want and fits into your budget, and you have done your due diligence and the property is free from all encumbrances, the next thing is to negotiate and agree. Negotiate on the price of property, and for you to negotiate better, it is important that you have an idea what properties are selling within that neighborhood, within that environment. That is what will enable you to negotiate better, to negotiate on the better offer to present to the seller. Now, after negotiation, it is very important that you also agree on the terms of payment. Is it going to be instrumental payment? Is it going to be outright payment? Is it going to be by bank transfer or by check? You agree on the terms of payment. If it is an instrumental payment, what duration of time is it going to take to make the final installment? Now, after negotiation, the next thing is payment and documentation. If you're buying from a real estate company, it is slightly different, because if you're buying from a real estate company, you will need to finish your payment before your documents will be processed. But if you're buying from an individual, it is important even before you pay, you make sure that your lawyer have prepared the document and everything, so as you are making your payment, the day you are paying the money, as soon as you make the payment and the money is confirmed, every party is going to sign on the document and the deal is closed. So that is the 5 simple steps through which you can buy a landed property here in the city of Port Harcourt. If you have any question on this topic, or you need any clarification, you can drop it in the comment section. If you have anything to add, you can also drop it in the comment section. If you have gotten value from this video and you want to be getting more value like this, please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also to give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend it to more people. Till I come your way next time, my name is Kristas.